Hey, hi everyone. Please confirm if you can hear my voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from today we are going to start with Linux chapter, and we'll also learn like how to make the lab with this Linux platform. So let's start. Let me share my screen and content. Yeah, you may download this file. Downloaded everyone. Mohammed
Yeah,
downloaded. Okay,
I did it, sir.
yeah, good. So first of all, we'll talk about operating system. So an operating system is a system software that manages the computer hardware, software resources, and provides the services for the computer program. Means it acts as an computer hardware, or you can say it's act as an intermediary between the users and the computer hardware and facilitating the task like running application, managing the files, and handling the input and output operations. Now, this operating system is basically of two types. The first, GUI, means
Graphic user interface.
yeah, graphics user interface. Means this GUI is a user interface that allows the users to interact with the system through the graphical elements like windows, icons, buttons, menus like this. And the example include Windows operating system, where graphically we can use, we can see, we can drag and drop, we can see the task menu, mouse pointers, icons, button, windows. We have Mac OS and some Linux distributions like Ubuntu with Geno. So here it is very easy to use because no need to worry about the content, the things, everything you can see in your screen. even Android operating system also. Means the users interact by clicking, dragging, and selecting the options visually and making it easier for the technical users. And it is more, you can say, intuitive, but generally consumes more system resources. We have the other part, which is CUI, which is known as character
And character.
you or character user interface, you can say,
Mhm.
or
Client
you
inter
can say one more thing.
client
Yeah, a client name command.
command. Oh yeah, sorry. Command user interface. I'm sorry.
User interface. Yeah. So what is this about, Parishit?
That is all. So, like the graphic user interface, are it's developed. You can use the mouse. It has a visualize and everything. But the command line interface is just same like you have to run the software in the with the command prompt. So basically, you are using the terminal or the very first version of the Microsoft, which is the DOS DIX operating system DOS. So that is the CUI because there was no graphic interface on that one.
Okay, can you name them some of the operating system?
We have a Linux terminal or MS DOS, Linux, Python, and whatever the coding programs are.
Yeah. So thank you. So you can say sometimes this is known as CUI and sometimes this is known as CLI. Okay,
Command
means
line
command line
CLI.
interface. Yeah,
Okay.
and CUI command user interface.
Mm-hmm.
So we usually use CUI only. Means
John.
it is a text-based interface that allow the user to interact with the system by typing the command.
Good.
And this includes the terminal in Linux, command prompt in Windows, and some PowerShell.
PowerShell,
Yeah,
as well as the MacBook terminal also, right?
yeah,
Mhm.
very good. So here, the users need to type the specific command to perform the task and requiring more technical knowledge. And it is faster and consumes fewer resources and a GUI, but has a steeper learning curve. So this one is about the operating system. Now let's talk about Linux operating system. So let's just start with these things. So what is Linux operating system?
Linux operating system is similar with the Windows. It's a operating platform for the other supported softwares or computer application. But Linux is consuming a low system resources because this is based on CUI, but Linux is also we can find that in GUI as well, but mostly Linux is using as a CUI. If I'm
Yeah,
correct. If I'm
yeah,
correct.
yeah. Okay. So first of all, this Linux was firstly discovered in 1991. Actually, the name of the developer is Linus. Linus Torvalds. Yeah, this person. And you
Um,
can watch his like history also, YouTube's
if
also. You'll
if
get lots
I'm
of informations.
if I'm not wrong, Ranjan, This Linux was invented during project works while he was in
Project
Israel.
work. Yeah,
Is that correct?
yeah, and it is based upon one more operating system which was then known as Unix.
Unix, yeah. Mhm.
Okay, means you can simply say this is the official website of Linux, which is linux.org, and it was a kind of project for him. And it is a open source, means you can download these things openly and you can make change to this operating system also. Means suppose you have lots of programming tools and you want to make your own operating system, then you can simply use their distributions to make your own distributions kind of things. And as every version is free to use, so you also need to use this thing, means you need to also upload these things free of cost. Second, you can make some program premium into this operating system, but not all the part. So this is the main benefit of using the Linux. Second, it is actually running with a community, means here you can see we have all this community member, and every day the community member provides the new update, security part, everything. That is the part of kernel. I'll come to this point. Meanwhile, just understand this person developed this thing in 1994, and still he uses a same computer. When I show you like Linux server setup, you can see only he have a very small room, and still he's managing the entire things from his room only. In these days, you can see the CEO house, the office house like this, but he is a very simple guy. You can see only, yeah, this is their server. This is the thing. Only this. Yeah, only this you can see. Even when I show you like Linux Office versus Microsoft, so you can see their offices very highly customized like this kind of things. Okay, but still he owns a single room to do all these kind of activities. Just now, yeah, you can see here a single room, single activities like this. So it is known for its stability, security, flexibility, and making it a popular choice for desktop, server, mobile devices, embedded system like this. Means this one is very stable. Like every tool is very ready to go, ready to use. No need to worry about whether it will lag or not. No, it is also very secure. So now the first questions comes into your mind, like this one is free, but how this operating system is secure? So the question is, suppose in this Windows, you can see I have all these file functions. Some are .pdf, some are .exe, .txt, .mp3. But to run all these things, we need a software which we already have in this Windows operating system. Like this is a PDF file, so I have a PDF reader. This is a docs file, so I have a docs reader. I have a media player to play the game, to play the music. I have the extensions of exe to execute the program. But in Linux, you will find nothing. Nothing means if I'll give you a program to run, then maybe it won't run. You need to give the special permissions to install the supported file to run and execute some of the things. Like suppose I'll give you the PPT, it won't run there. You need to install the applications to run this thing. When I give you any MP3 file, then it won't execute there. You need a media player first, then you can play a music there. Now, suppose if I'll give you a virus. So in Windows, maybe I'll give you the virus in the format of .exe, .txt, .docs, .mp3, .mp4, like this. So if our Windows can read the thing, then maybe it can execute the part. But what about this Linux? Whenever I give any kind of virus, it won't be detected by the Linux itself. Means, suppose if anybody abuse you. So if you're not understanding the meaning of this language, now obviously you won't be you won't react to these things. But yeah, if you will understand like, yeah, this person is abusing me, then maybe you will take a legal actions. Same thing happens with this Linux. That's why it is very secure, very stable, and free also. Miss, you know one thing, when you go with this Windows 11, Windows 10, actually we are paying for this operating system. We are actually paying. Now in market, I think a decade before, we had three types of versions of laptop. The first Linux based, second DOS based, and the third Windows based. Now company are only selling a Windows based, and we are purchasing a very simple version of Linux, means a Windows operating system, which is Windows Home Basic only. Because some of the laptop they comes with a pre-inbuilt things, but in market like the Dell company, they used to sell the Linux based, Ubuntu based, this kind of operating system also. That's why we have so many different versions, distributions version, you can say. Okay. Distribution version shortcut means distro. Distro. Okay. So sometimes you might be heard about a distro version. And here you can see these are the distro bars. You can see all these are the part of Linux only, like Ghost BCD, Murilla, MPN, all these things, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Lubuntu, all these are the part of this Linux only. Even there is a website livecdlist.com. Here you can see the informations about the operating system. These operating system are available. Even you can also create your own operating system. That's why it is very convenient for the organizations, researcher to use this platform, because you can run these things according to your need. You can create your own command list also. You can create your own environment also. It is just free to use. That is the main part of this Linux. So I'll give you this link also. Now, this Linux or Linux is the foundation of many modern operating systems. Like here you can see we have Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Saint, Arch Linux. So as it powers the majority of the web server and the cloud environment also. Okay. So now this Linux comes with a multitasking features. Multitasking means you can do multitask within the same operating system. And first of all, uh, the birth of Unix was integrated in year 1960s to 1970s. Okay. And that time, some user, which is Ken Thompson, yeah, and other Bell Labs, yeah. He worked on this Bell Labs, developed the Unix, which was that time a very multi-user kind of thing, multitasking work you can do. Okay, but it took around 10 years for the popularity, and in 1970, this Unix got multiple versions that time. Now, in year 1983 to 1989, 1983, 1989, there was a developer known as Richard, yeah, Stallman here, this one. Yeah. Again, he developed some GNU project to create a free Unix-like operating system. And in year 1985, he founded operating system, which was a free software foundation, means FSF. Yeah, you can see this. October 1985. Developed the GNU compiler collections of this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one here. So it was a free foundations of the things. Means everything should be in free things. So he developed these things. Uh, this is the official website. And in year 1990s, okay, most of the GNU core component like GCC, Bash, core utilities were ready, but the kernel was missing. I'll come back to this point, like what is kernel. Now, in year 1991, this Linux came into the existence, and this Linus Torvald was the student of University of Helsinki. Helsinki, still you can see a map in PUBG game. So he developed the Linux kernel and released it under the general public license. And in 1992, Linux combined with GNU utilities, forming the first fully functional free operating system. Means this combined with this FSF to develop this kind of things. Now, in year 1993, means after 2 years of developing this Linux, over 100 developers contributed to Linux. So officially, in 1994, the official version of Linux 1.0 was released. Yeah, you can see here. It contained 1,76,250 code of lines. You can see the informations. Then in 96, Turbo released second version, then 2.4 version, 2.3 versions like this. And now the today Linux current version is, no, I think more than enough we have this. 5 or 6, you can say 6.3 versions is here. Okay. So in this here, now we use this thing in our cloud computing, in Android mobile phone, in IoT devices, and for some cybersecurity environment. So the main key features of this Linux is like, first of all, it is free to use, means open source. Second, you can modify these things, distribute with your own name also. This one is secure and stable, means used for the critical system like server and a cloud structures. Then it comes with the multi-user and multitasking, means it support the multi-user simultaneously and customizable also, means you can modify for the different need. Like we have different versions like Ubuntu, which we use for the desktop, and CentOS we use for the server. And the main benefit, like you can run this thing on an old hardware and embedded system easily. So in short, we can say a Linux started a small project but evolved into one of the most powerful operating system in the world. And today it runs on everything from supercomputer to smartphones, making it an essential part of the modern technologies. Even Android also. They're totally based upon these things. Now, any person, any questions?
So can you get a computer that is Windows and you decide to download Linux and change it automatically to Linux? Or can you run the two operating systems side by side?
Yeah, yeah. Even today only, I'll teach you how you can make the lab to practice with the Linux. Okay, today only.
Okay.
Because see, Linux is very new to all. But the major problem, you need to learn some command to practice with the Linux. Okay. And you know, in this fast generation, nobody want to learn some command like to shut down, you need to use init0, to restart, you need to use init space 6 to get the information. Means it comes with a multiple command list and you need to understand these things. Remember these points. That's why it is difficult. But now we have the graphical versions things also. So now the role and functions of Linux means this Linux operating system plays the various roles across the different domains and making it one of the most versatile operating systems. Like the first point I write here is the first is server operating system means some power web server like Apache, Nginx, database server like MySQL, application server means they used in this cloud computing like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Server. Even it is capable to host enterprises applications and virtual machine using the technologies like Docker. Second is desktop operating system means it provides a free and open source alternative to Windows and Mac OS. And you might be heard about Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, Debian. So it is used by the programmer, cybersecurity professionals, developer, researcher. Then we have this embedded systems and IoT means it runs on router, smart televisions, Android devices, IoT devices, and this one is very comes with very light distributions also like Alpine Linux, Yocto, and we use this thing for cyber security and hacking purposes also. So we have Kali Linux Parrot operating system, which we use in digital forensic network security vulnerability assessment. Like this, the fifth we have supercomputer and some scientific computing, you can say. Means Linux runs over 90% of the world's supercomputer. Even now, used in the machine learning, AI, big data analytics. And the last point I like to write here is for development and programming. Means a preferred OS is OS for developers due to the open source nature and support for the programming languages like Python, C, Java, Bash, all this kind of. Now, The next point, function of Linux. So first of all, the first function is file management. Means actually it works in a hierarchy format. Hierarchy means, let me show you, Linux file system image. So you can see here, it works with the hierarchy format. The first is root. Under this root, you will get var, home, etc, bin, user, sbin, lib, root, like this. And under this, parent to child, you can see here, bin, boot, dev, etc, home, lib, media, mint, then opt, root, all these things. Then under this thing, you will get all this kind of different path like hierarchy format. Okay, so you can see the file structure. So basically the file start with the root folders. Okay, so this is the file function. Second, first is file management. Second, we have process management. Means it support multiple file extensions and it allow users to monitor and control the process using some commands. Then the third is user management. Means it supports the multiple users with the different privilege levels. By default, the main is the root user, which is the super admin user, and the other is a common user. Okay, every Linux comes with the two user. Super user or root user means which can do the multiple activities as a authentications user, like installing of the third-party applications, updating, removing, installing, all these things. But a simple user can only do a preferred activities like copy, paste, finding the informations, like these things only. Then other we have this networking. So now it comes with the pre-inbuilt network tools and services. And you can also troubleshoot the network with a single list of commands only. Even it supports the firewall, VPN, secure SSH access, like this. And it also comes with a package management. Means it uses packages managers like apt in Debian, pacman in Arch Linux, yum in other Linux distributions version. And it allows the easy installations, update, and removal of the software. Then virtualizations and containerization means it supports the virtual machine, virtual box, VMware, like this, and provides the centralizations tools like Docker, Kubernetes for the cloud computing. Okay, before this, I'll give you a tool to download. Meanwhile, you can go with these things. This is the pirated one. So this is a zip file. Okay, here you can see we have the options to download the things. So download this file first. Okay, it will take some time, and I'll give you one more file to download. Okay, two file, and third is RAR lab. Okay, meanwhile you can go with this download things. Yeah, now we were speaking about these things. Now the next point, different types of Linux distributions. Means you can see all these are the different type of Linux. Now, the major component of Linux. So you can see here, the first we have this Linux cells, then libraries, then utilities, and then user interface. Means Linux is made up of a several key components that work together to provide a stable and efficient operating system. And you can see here, these are the main component of the things. But first of all, I'll talk about a kernel. Okay, a kernel. So can anyone tell me what you understand with the term kernel? Anyone? What is this kernel?
Sorry, before you go on there, are you expecting us to go ahead and download this link you sent?
Mhm.
Do we download it right now? The one of them.
Yeah, because yeah. Keep downloading this thing because it will take some time to get downloaded.
Okay, both of them are one is saying VMware headwork, the other is saying 60% off
Yeah.
media fire. Are we doing both or just one?
Keep doing all these things.
Okay.
It will take some time. Yeah. Anyone who have this idea? What is this kernel? Parishit?
Yes, sir. I have no idea
Any
what
idea?
this kernel things.
Okay, not to worry. See, somebody says this kernel is actually Linux. The main part is kernel.
Mhm.
Kernel means it is a core of the operating system. Core part means it directly interact with the hardware and manages the system resources such as the CPU, memory, and the devices. Means the main function of this kernel is like it can do multiple activities. Multiple activities means process management. Maybe I can show you something. Yeah, see this. Process management, which handles the running and processes kind of things. Then memory management. It allocates and free memories for programs. Then device management. It's communicate with hardware like keyboard, mouse, and printer. Then file system management. It organizes the file system and things. And networking. It also manages the network communication. Means all these things can be done through the kernel only. Okay. So what to say about this thing? A kernel is the core part of the Linux operating system. It acts as a bridge between the hardware and the software and managing the, you can say, resources such as the CPU, memory, devices, process. Even the kernel is actually responsible for ensuring the smooth communications between the applications and the hardware. So it can do the process management. It allocates and delocates the RAM and the applications with the help of this memory management. It prevents the leak and ensures the efficient memory uses. Then again, device management also means it communicates with the hardware like keyboard, mouse, printer, and this, and uses device driver to control the hardware. Even now, it's also support the plug and play, means automatic kind of driver detections, device detections. Even the file management also means it supports multiple file management like NTFS, FAT32, XFS, ext4, and control the file permissions and access right. The networking, it supports the protocol for communications like TCP/IP. It also manages the network protocol interfaces like TCP/IP. It also gives you the security and access control, like implementing the user privilege and permissions, manage authentications and encryptions. So the very famous Linux version means Linux kernel is monolithic kernel. Yeah, see, this is the first part. So monolithic kernel means the entire operating system run in the kernel space. And this provide a fast and efficient, but can be a complex example like Linux and Unix. Second, we have microkernel. Microkernel means only essential services run in kernel space, reducing the complexity. Like it can do file system, device driver, more secure but slightly slower. Then hybrid terminal is also there. Kernel is also there. Mix of monolithic and microkernel features. Now, after this, good. Just wait for my responses. After this, we have this shell, Linux shell. So shell, you can say, suppose dear, I know Russian language, but Linux works with only English language. So I'll make my entire shell in Russian language, like file management, copy, paste, communicating, shutdown, everything my own command. So I'll make my own Linux shell. So it is a shell means a command line interface that allow user to interact with the kernel. So it takes the user command, interpret them, and execute them. And there are various famous kind of Linux shells. You can see Bond shell, Bash shell, C shell, T shell, ZSS shell. Means SSL is one of the oldest shell and basic scripting support in 1970, you can say. Then Bash shell, I think Parrot and other operating system, 90% operating system use this Bash shell, born again shell, you can say. Means now you can say it is default and most commonly used shell in the Linux. Then we have the C shell. But is C shell? It is like which uses the C-like syntax, better for programming. Then we have TSSL, means combine the feature of Bash and C shell. So this one. And we have this ZSSL. So Kali Linux comes with the ZSSL, means advanced shells with improved scripting and customizations. So this is about the main component of Linux. Now we have the libraries. Library means a combination of, you can say, collections of pre-written codes that application uses to perform the common task, reducing the redundancy. Now, utilities. Utilities means these are the small program that help to manage the Linux system efficiently. Like for file management, we have a fixed command like ls, cp, mv, remove, failed, remove, process management, user management, network management, like this. Then it comes with the user management, or you can say user interface. Already we have discussed about these things, command line and graphical user interface. Even when I show you the Linux like themes, so it comes with a genome, KDE, Plasma, XFC, like this. Means recently Indian company issues a operating system and name this as a boss OS. Means There's nothing like any new here. Nothing like any new. It is a Linux operating system. Only you will get some Indian logo over there. Okay. And it is named as the first
Basically, they
Indian operating
customize.
system.
Basically,
Yeah.
they customize the original Linux and just customize it, right?
Yeah. Only you will get a boss written icon over there. And
Yeah.
4 years before, they issued a Garuda operating system also.
Hmm. I
Garuda
heard
Linux.
about this Garuda somewhere, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Mm.
It is also very lightweighted,
Yeah.
but nothing you will get here. Only you can see some Indian icon. It's like
Mhm.
a Indian goddess icon. And
Yeah.
here you can see plasma, XFC, genome, genome, all these kind of things. Like it is a kind of theme you can see. You can find the different kind of things. See, all these are different kind of things. So why these things? Because this genome, uh, maybe I can show you. Yeah, you can see genome and KD. So genome is a user friendly and modern. KD customizable and features with a rich kind of graphics uses. Then LXC, LXDs we also have. It is lightweight for the older versions. Then CNM one is there. CNM one is not written. CNM one is there. So it is also used in the Linux Mint, similar to the Windows UI. It looks like a Windows operating system. Okay. So this one is all about the Linux architectures. Now, this part I'll show you in our upcoming command pathing. So this one is all about the Linux. Now let's discuss about Kali Linux. So there is a company known as Offensive Security. So yeah, this Offensive Security is the parent company of Kali Linux. So actually, this company used to give different certifications in the field of cybersecurity, like OSCP, OSWP, OSEP, OSWA, all these kind of things. And these certifications is also very famous. So they thought, to why don't we make our lab or operating system so that people can practice over here? And just to make this company better, they introduced their own operating system, which was back named as that time Backtrack. Still, you can see this is the official website of this Backtrack. Not launching. So Backtrack was the first operating system launched by this wait old.kali.org. Yeah, see Backtrack images. So the last version was 5R3. Okay, I think it was banned in not banned like stop productions in year 2005. So it was the first operating system which was the Linux based operating system, and it was very famous that time. But due to some lack of, you can say, opportunities, lack of informations, this company got banned. The reason with this Backtrack R53, see, every time they keep on implementing the new features, but their main motive was to give the free versions every time. Now, suppose here you are a developer, you develop a tool to hack a Wi-Fi. So maybe you can provide the free versions for 1 year, for 2 years, for 10 years, but you cannot provide the things for lifetime freedom. So most of the developer they ask to uh, make some account premium, to make some software premium so that they can also earn. So this company continues denying the things, and time by time, we have the new features, new technologies like cloud, IoT, mobile phone also, VMware also, virtualizations also, Docker also. So this company fails to update these things in that operating system. Means see, running a company is easy, but maintaining a company is very tough. This is the main problem. Even in the field of technologies like Windows, recently I heard like a company is now not going to give any support from this March 2025. but with the older versions like Windows 10 only. Means now, if I'll talk about XP7, maybe you can download these things from the internet. You can use that operating system. But now, company is not going to give you any support from their side. Okay. So same thing happens with this backtrack. In year 2006, the company got banned, and just due to their unsupport from the company, it was working. I think I should wait for some time or not working. So when this company got banned, so after banning of this thing, most of the developer they introduced a new operating system which was parrot operating system. So after seeing this offensive security renamed the entire part and they launched their own operating system with the name of Kali in year 2006. So it is a Debian based means distributions based operating system and now specially designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity research. And it is developed and maintained by the offensive security. The current version is 2024.4. And maybe after 2 days, I think maximum 2 days, you all will get a new version, which is 2025.1, because every year they release the full updated version of this operating system. So it comes with so many pre-installed tools like vulnerability assessment, wireless security, and more. And you can customize this on the rules, you can say low resources machine. You can run this operating system with the help of a pen drive. You will get a regular update. You will get a multiple desktop environment. Okay. So in 2006, it was developed by as the name of Backtrack. In 2013, they rebranded these things as a Kali Linux, and this built on the Debian for the better stability and the package management. In 2020, they introduced some features like the Kali undercover mode, and now we have the regular kind of things over here. So this one is all about the Kali Linux. So if you want to get some more knowledge, click on this blog. Every day you can see what is the new things. This is the versions informations. So you'll get lots of informations about this file. This is the documentation page. This is the community page. This is the courses page. So you'll get lots of informations over here. The first is like Git Kali. Git Kali means this is for those people who want to replace their operating system with these things. But you know, this will take some time, like creating the name, then partitions making, then installing the package. But as this one is very new to all, so I never recommended to go with these things. Other is a virtual machine. So yeah, actually we have some software like VMware or this virtual box, which provide us to run multiple operating system in this. You can see I have this Parrot, Kali, all these things running in this virtual machine. And here also you can see Windows 10, Linux, all version, Pro Max, Parrot. Means instead of replacing your operating system, you can still use these things under this environment. So this is known as pre-built virtual machine. Then ARM means now we have tiny devices like Raspberry Pi. You can also run this operating system in these tiny devices. So this is the main benefit part. After this, you can run these things on the mobile, but it comes with the pro features, premium features, and they have listed some of the mobile model number. If you have these things, then you can run this operating system, but there is no any guarantee and warranty for these things. Then cloud based, this all comes with the premium packages. Then contain, Now, what is this container? Container means you can say it is a lightweight and portable and isolated environment that allows the applications to run constantly across a different system. Hence, the container package and applications along with its dependency, libraries and configurations, and also ensure it runs the same way at any platform. But it is like a developer laptop, a test environment, or a cloud server. So it comes with lots of features like lightweighted, which share the host operating system, kernel, making them fast and more efficient than the virtual machine. It runs constantly on the different system without modifications, and each container run in its own isolated users space, preventing the conflict. Okay. After this, you can run this thing with the help of a live pen drive. And now, why this Windows being backyards? The use of Windows subsystem for Linux means within your Windows operating system, now you can run this Windows subsystem for Linux. So this one is about the theoretical part. Let's take a 10-minute break and then we'll continue with the practical examples like installations of the lab. So I hope you already have downloaded all these things. If not, then I'll guide you to install these things in your system only. Thank you. Okay, so hi everyone. So I have given you three different tools. The first is VMware. So in this zip version, you will get a two different file. The first is a key file. Copy the key, install this package, and paste this key to make this applications premium. So who want to share his screen to do the activities?
Okay.
Okay, share me your screen.
The other one is telling me to pay $39. The other downloads,
I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please share your screen.
the premium download is telling me to pay $39.
No need to pay anything.
Yeah, so that can't go forward unless you pay. But the one on Zip was able to open for some reason.
Wait. See, let him to do the activities. You can simply follow these things. Okay. Yeah, first VMware, right click here. Wait. Just wait. Click on this, right click on this VMware. Very good. Now WinRAR, the second last option, and extract the file here. The last option. No, it's okay. Yeah, computer is very fast.
Yeah.
Nice. Now, first click on this key fix. Yeah, and copy the key. The second, yeah,
This
open
one?
to copy the key. Yeah, good. Yeah, copy this key. Now go back, setup, and install this package. Everyone, please see these activities.
Where was this?
Next, next, next. Untick all these things.
Yeah. Untick?
Okay, untick. Yeah, next. Yeah, next. Install.
Ranjan sir,
Yeah.
if I have a, I already have a VMware which is 16.2 on my computer. If I go on this one, it will automatically update that one, or because 16.2 I do have a Kali as well. So how do I need to remove that old Kali and do this process from the beginning?
No. You can use this same version, but yeah, you need to remove the Kali with the new version. That you can do.
So that means I need to uninstall the VMware previous version and install this one, and then after that I can install Kali.
No. Let it be
Mhm.
same like this, but update with a new Kali Linux. Don't change your VMware.
Mhm.
Use the older version only, but
Mhm.
update Kali Linux.
Update Kali.
Yeah.
Let me check the version of
Okay.
Kali, which version I do
So
have.
you can see he has this install already. This person installed this VMware workstation. Can
Mhm.
you open this one?
Yeah, I'm open.
Okay. See, this is VMware workstation. Now, the next step. Now you can minimize this part. No need to update this thing. Now open your
Okay.
Kali Linux, yeah, installations folder. Go back, go back. Now see, this is Kali Linux. You can see this is VMware. That's why it is displaying the name as VMware file. Again, click to this WinRAR. Very good, and extract the file here. Yeah. Better you should change the path, otherwise it will consume the space from your C drive only.
So in this folder,
Yeah, now you can see every icon looks same, but second number is totally different.
now this is the
So
my virtual
yeah,
machine
so yeah,
configuration.
yeah. So double click to this thing and see automatically it will give you options to launch within this VMware workstation. So please OK and wait a second, wait a second. Now, yeah, click on this edit virtual machine setting. The second options. Second options, edit virtual machine setting. Very good. Now increase the RAM to 4 GB. Yeah, increase this part. Now, okay. Okay, okay, let it be okay. Okay, okay, yeah. So now your lab is ready. Now you can power on this virtual machine. The first options. Okay, yeah. So by default, this you can say username and the password is Kali and Kali only. So sometimes you may face some mouse problem. So to excel out your mouse from this operating system, suppose you want to use the things on your Windows, you need to type Control and Alt. Otherwise, you will face problem
Control.
and Alt together.
Okay.
Now, Kali and Kali. Okay, so here you have your operating system.
Mhm.
Okay, so everyone, you all need to do the same thing. The first icon, click on the first icon. Yeah, this is your menu bar. Here you will get the entire tool list. Okay, second is the minimize icon. Okay, this is to minimize and maximize. This is the, yeah. Third one is the file management part. Means it will show you desktop documents, download, all these kind of things. The fourth one is the notepad file. Okay. The fifth is a Firefox browser. And this is the main part. It comes with two different terminals. As I said before also, a root user, which is the admin user. To open this, click on this root user, root one. Yeah, click. It will ask you to insert the password, which is Kali. Yeah, authenticate. So it will open a root user. Okay. There is a one more user, which is a Kali user, known as the normal user. Again, click on this terminal part. Cut this part. You can close this one. Again, go there. Yeah, tiny. Yeah, black one. Yeah. This will open a normal user without inserting any kind of password. So this is the first half. Now close this one. Go to the right upper corner. Right. Same line on the right upper corner. Same line. Go right. Last line. Right here. You can see the first is this network notifications bar. Click there. Yeah. So by default, you are sharing your internet with this VMware. That's why it is consuming like it is like a wired connections. The second is the sound bar. It will, you can adjust the sound according to your need. The third is the notifications bar, like this. The fourth is a battery bar. The fifth is a time bar. Okay, by default, the time is changed. I'll let you know like how you can change the thing. Okay, now do not click on this icon, otherwise it will lock your screen. And the last, yeah. And the last icon is to shut down, log off, log out, all this kind of things. Okay.
So what will happen if if I click on lock screen?
If you click again, it will ask you to insert the username and password.
Okay.
Okay, now again click on the very first icon in menu bar. Yeah. Search as undercover. Yeah. Click on this. So it will change to Windows 10. Suppose if you are working with some important things and you don't want people to see all these things, so it will change to this Windows 10. Okay. Again, search. Now go to the last line. Menu bar. Yeah. Last line. Yeah. Search as undercover.
This one?
Yeah. Undercover. Yeah. Click there. Yeah. Now search as undercover. Yeah. Again, click here. Okay. So like this, your lab is ready. Do one thing, open a root terminal and type a command to update this operating system. Yeah. Root. Yeah. Command is apt
AP?
t. T for tree.
APT.
Yeah. Hyphen get. Give a space. Update. Yeah. And
I'll write that APT hyphen get update.
okay, now you can stop sharing your screen. It will take some time.
Okay.
Okay. Now who want to share his screen? By the way, Intiaz, you are very genius.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Okay, Hugo, you want to share your screen?
Yeah. Because I was able to download it, but it looks like I'm seeing a different version. I don't know.
Okay, share your screen. Let me check this for myself.
Okay. So first, this is what I'm.
No, okay, you have downloaded this thing. Now open your download folder.
Yeah, this is the one that was telling me to pay.
No.
Downloaded. So I don't know what's taking me there. So I was able to download this one.
Okay, now first install WinRAR. It is a structure file application. Yeah, double click to install this one. Yeah, open. No, install. Okay, already you have installed this thing. Wow.
Yeah.
So now go to this VMware workstation.
Yeah, I've installed that one. So
no, leave this part there. Go to the VMware. VMware, yeah. Right click. The last option, WinRAR, and extract here. Extract here. The last option, yeah.
That's the one I'm looking for.
Now open the structured one. No. Yeah. No. Cut this part. Close this one.
Okay.
Close this one. Close all these things. Close. You
Yeah,
can
I'm trying to
simply
remove
close this.
trying to remove all of them. I don't know where that's coming. But from every indication I can see.
Open the file manager again. Okay. Now the third options. Go up. The third one. Yeah. Open this.
The third
VMware.
one, this one.
Very good. Yeah. Open. No. Already you have extracted this, dear. That's why this is the extracted file. Now click on this open one. Open. The first options. Don't be in a hurry. I'm guiding you. Okay. Don't be in a
So
hurry. Keep calm. Okay. Now click on this key fix. Yeah. Copy the key from this file. Yeah. Key and copy the key. Double click to open this. Yeah. Copy the key. Okay. Now minimize this.
okay. Right, the one is not. Okay.
You can close this file. Now close. Already you have copied this thing. Now go back. Now setup and install this one.
Okay. What's next?
Yeah. Now open your VMware.
I think it opened on the background, so I have to minimize this.
Yeah. That is there. Yeah. Click here.
I wonder why it's not coming out. Um, you see it right here, but then it's not pulling up from. You can still see my screen, right?
Yeah. I can see your screen.
Okay, well, I wonder why it's minimized in such a way that it's not.
No. That is just wait for. I can see there are a million of icons on your desktop.
Yeah, but then I can see it on my toolbars. I'm trying to figure out where and how it was hiding. This is just this one. Okay, unless I go to this is a cyber actually. So let me push this away. Um,
Just wait. Let it be installed. Maybe it will take some time.
yeah, unless it's still installing, but I can see it up here. But I can't. I'll try to render distance on my desktop. I can't see it right now.
Yeah. Click this. Mhm.
When I do that, it's not coming up. I can't see it from here.
Okay. Double click to again do these activities. Then double click to install this again.
No wise. I'm doing that. Or do I pull it up from the settings? Okay, this one's done already. Another installation of set running. Is it
Okay,
already?
already.
And so it says that it's already running.
Yeah, then maybe it is running in the background.
Yeah, it's here. It's running, but then I'm trying to figure out. Can I start it up from the browser and maybe see if it's gonna show up?
Search there VMware.
No, it's not this one. This is the one I had before.
VM, right? VM.
It's not showing.
Not VMV, VM. Yeah.
VMware, but then,
Already it was showing there. Yeah. No, no,
okay,
no.
this should be. It should be
No,
this
no,
one.
that is not. No, no, that is.
But that's not it.
Do your thing. You are not listening to me. Then what should I do?
Um, Let me try it again.
Already this one is installed. I don't know why you are not getting me. Click on the search part again. Simply type VM and wait for my instructions. VM. Yeah. Give a space. Okay. Now type VMware. Go back and type VMware.
This one,
No, no. Again, remove all this part. Type regularly VMware without a gap.
without a gap.
Yeah, without a gap. VMware. VMware.
No, no, no. So let me do a capital letter the way it is, and then um,
I think you need to restart your PC. Okay, again click on the first one. VMware. Install
this
this one.
one,
Yeah,
this one.
wait. Yeah, yeah, click and install this one.
Hmm. You see that?
You need to restart your PC.
I think is
Yeah, restart your PC, then rejoin again.
okay. So if I start restart, it's gonna knock me out from you guys. Therefore, I may have to do that on rejoin the class.
Yeah,
Okay, so someone else can carry on. So let me see if it's gonna restart it.
yeah, yeah.
All right, all right.
Okay. Have you all installed this lab? Okay, overall, you can talk to my team for booking the time, okay? Or anyone who want to share his screen?
Mm,
I'd like to share mine.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay, have you extracted this file first? Tell me, have you extracted this file first?
yeah. Sorry, Ranjan, talking to me, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I
Go
installed
back.
it. Yeah. You want me to go back?
You already
Okay.
installed this? You
No,
installed this thing?
I am in process. I mean, I install it, but I need, the next process is to put the key and the key. So I have copied the key already.
Okay, okay. Then do these activities.
So I should do I need to select both of them on the left side right here, or just VMware workstation?
I can see there's only one file showing like VMware workstation
Okay.
setup file.
All right. All right. So I'm gonna go there. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah, Mr. Ranjan, I'm here at this stage right now, so
I
I
cannot
need
see
help.
anything.
Cannot
I
see
cannot see
anything.
anything. Yeah, I think you don't want to share your screen.
No, I shared already.
No, I can only see the setup file. I can only see this icon. Yeah. Okay, so this one is installed now. Yeah, now I can see your screen.
Okay.
Now go to the download path again and show me the Kali Linux.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
It's in here. This one.
Yeah. Now, have you installed this WinRAR?
Yeah, I have. I installed it on my desktop. Yes.
Okay, so right click on this Kali Linux first.
Okay.
Now WinRAR, then the last options.
Okay. I guess this is done.
Now search for the Kali Linux extracted file. Type K, search like K. No, why you are doing this?
Okay.
Search on the same specific folder, dear. Yeah, search there, type K, keep searching with the K. Okay,
Okay.
already you have extracted the file K,
Yeah.
type K for kite.
Okay.
Already you have extracted this. Type K, type pressing K. Press K. Yeah, this is the extracted one, the last
Okay.
one. Now double
Okay.
click to open this Kali Linux file.
Double click. Okay.
Now click on the first icon 2 times. Good. Now just once.
Okay.
Now click on always. Click on always.
Always. Okay.
Yeah. Wait a second. Okay, now click on edit virtual machine setting. Go up, edit virtual. There's already options. Second
Okay.
options.
Okay.
No,
Sorry.
don't be
Sorry.
in hurry. Don't be in hurry.
All
Go
right.
up, the same line, go up. You can see edit virtual machine setting. Yeah, click.
Yeah. Okay.
Now increase your RAM to 4 GB.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, click upgrade
Yeah.
those is 4 GB. No, you can see there is an icon there. No. You can see there's a scrolling icon there, dear. Yeah, scroll this to
4G.
4 GB. Yeah,
Okay.
very good. Now click on OK. Very good. Now power on this machine. The first options. Before this edit, go up, on the same line. Yeah, power
Yeah.
on. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Yeah, okay now.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Let's see here.
Now type Kali and Kali.
Kali, both filled, right?
Both field, yeah.
Okay. Log in, I guess. Yeah. Right.
So this is your pad operating system.
Okay.
Very good. Now open the terminal. Better to update this terminal first.
Okay.
Terminal is listed in the fifth options. Sixth option. Sixth, yeah, black one.
Okay.
Now you can see there's a small triangle there.
Sorry.
Just beside
This.
this, yeah, just beside this terminal, you can see there's a small triangle. The black one, just beside this, you can see there's a small triangle. On the same icon, the black icon, you can see there's a small triangle. No, on the same icon. Yeah. Go right, slightly right, slight right. Yeah, click there. Yeah, click. Yeah, now red one. Type Kali here.
Kali.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Authenticate.
authenticate. Okay. Right.
Now type the command apt-get update.
Sorry, what is the command again?
apt apple parrot entry.
Okay. And say hyphen rate.
Give a hyphen. get. Give a space. Update.
Type update, right?
Mm-hmm.
Update. Okay. Enter.
Yeah. Okay, so let it be up to here only.
Okay.
Next class, I'll teach you the another step for making the more lab practicing with the other operating system also, which is the pad operating system.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I'll give you the link so that whenever you get some time, you can download this pad operating system too.
Yeah. Okay.
Just wait. I'm giving you the link. To exit out of these things, sometimes
Okay.
you will face difficulties while using the mouse. So
Yeah,
you need to
sure.
type Control Alt. Hey, why are you canceling this thing? Let it
No,
be updating.
okay. Mm.
Yeah, now you can close this part. No, not there directly. You can see there is a last icon there. Last icon. Go to the right upper corner. Down this, down. Go down. Yeah, right. Yeah, there you can click on this and shut down.
From the terminal, Ranjan, we can directly do the exit from there, right?
Yeah, you can type INIT space 0.
Okay. Log out. All right.
So now we can shut down the machine. I just updated the terminal with the new one.
Very good.
All right, mine is able to come up again to the setup box. So I was trying to run through it again.
Okay, have you installed this part?
Yeah, mine was able to come up like was able to come up the way up to the, but then I'm trying to run through it, the next, but I want to make sure I'm supposed to click the enhanced key driver and not the robust key driver while I'm moving forward.
Okay, share me your screen.
So it was able to come up. Okay, someone has to stop sharing. So it came out all the way at this point. This is necessary
No,
to
no,
select,
no,
right?
no, no, no,
It's
not
not
necessary. No,
okay,
no.
not necessary. Okay. So the rest of
Untick all
the
this. Untick all this part. Untick, untick. UNTIC.
which one?
Okay, click on next. Click on next. Install.
Okay. My system has a lot of function. Okay. I want them to see it again.
What happened?
Hello again. I have to call it up again. It's not coming up again.
No, no, I can see there's an icon on your desktop. You can see VMware is there only. Go up, go up, go left, four icon left, left, left,
VMware.
four icon left, the same line, go left, go left. Yeah,
So
this is
this
your VMware icon. Yeah. Now paste the key.
oh, that's a whole lot of time. Didn't we lose it? I restarted, so I think it's last.
Okay, then again go to the download folder. Don't be in hurry. Okay, be calm. There's nothing like you are skipping the part. Okay. You can see there's a third options, extracted
Yes,
folder
sir.
there,
Yeah,
VMware.
that's, mhm.
No, no, no. That is a, see, either you do the activities to your own or just wait for my response to tell. I'm also human being, dear, not a robot.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to the,
You never listen to me.
okay, so this is the wrong one. So I should go to the one
Yeah,
down.
that's the one.
Oh,
Nah.
this one. I was thinking we were gonna do it again. This is not, okay, I'm gonna close this then. It's not even gonna close. Okay, I see what you mean.
Okay,
Okay,
now
so I
click
should go
on,
to this one, right?
double click to left click two times. Yeah. Now key fix. Go to the key.
Oh, mine is correct. Cloud is on backup, right?
Paste it here. Yeah, paste it here.
And
Yeah.
is that
Yeah,
correct?
finish. Hmm. Okay, now again go to the download folder path. Do this first. I have only 5 minute time. Go back. Yeah. Where is your Kali Linux?
Where is it?
You haven't downloaded this Kali Linux?
I think I already downloaded. It's the one I showed you that was giving me um hold on.
Where is Kali Linux? Okay, open a new tab. But this thing I'll teach you another day.
Okay, I think I had it up on the another folder.
See, first of all, I'll give you one suggestions. Never open all this kind of tab running in the background. Okay, it will consume lots of RAM and it will lag your PC because now you are going to learn the different kind of things. So it will consume your more RAM again and again. So try to close all this tab, remove all the files from your desktop, try to clean your C drive. Okay.
Okay, yeah, and
Now,
the open files, right?
now search for Kali Linux.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, download Kali. Now virtual machine, second options.
This one?
Yeah, click anywhere. Yeah, the first options now, VMware. Yeah, click there. Yeah, now it is downloading in the background. Okay, so do the same steps. Already you have seen the two pieces. Same thing, extract this file, double click and install these things on your VMware workstations. Okay.
Did you say do this the same as this one and this one?
No, no, already this one is downloading. You can check
Okay.
your download options. Already this one is downloading. Go right up.
Yeah, I see it. It's still on the process.
Yeah. So it will take some time. Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So
But
do these
we don't need.
activities.
Mhm. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Only extract this after downloading. You need to extract this folder and you can make the lab tab. The username is Kali and Kali.
This is progressing.
No, no. You can you click on the skip this version or remind me later. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So bye everyone. Take care.
All right. Okay. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Yeah. Okay. You too. Bye.